Hello, welcome my bald bearded friends. Today the long anticipated beard oil review of Beard Monkey Sweet Tobacco beard oil. Of course the Norwegian beard oil I got from my girlfriend when she was on a trip with a girlfriend of hers over there. You can see the first impression gift video somewhere in the links. It's a real big packaging. It's a 50 ml bottle, and as I saw online they don't come in smaller bottles, so I really like that. It's a nice clear, little bit yellowish oil, not too thick but quite a bit watery. Smells really great, real spicy, sweet tobacco, really like it. Reminds me a little bit of Spice Bomb Extreme, and I think using those two together you'll get a real nice result. I'm applying right now the beard oil without a mirror, so you know it feels real great in beard and also on the skin, and this is because it has some real nice oils in it. So let's get started. Let's see, ingredients. Starting off with the Cardamus tinctorius oil. It's a real great oil against dry skin and has some anti-inflammatory properties. So it's a real nice one if you have some skin irritations. It also has Simonsia chinesis seed oil, other name for jojoba oil. This oil, the jojoba oil, is a real skin soothing and oil and enhancing the skin restorative properties. So again, real helps with keeping your skin free of irritations. And lastly, it contains Argania spinosa kernel oil, again a real fancy name for argan oil, which contains vitamin E and antioxidants, so it really helps with hydration, you know, keeping your beard nice, flowing and soft. So containing all these oils, it's real nice, makes your beard real nice and soft and just nourishing all over. Also contains of course some parfum oils and other oils helping to maintain the thickness of the oil, the consistency. And I have to say the fragrance is, as I stated before in this video, is real nice. It's real spicy sweet tobacco, so I really like this one and I highly recommend it, and that's why I will give this a 8 out of 10. But if you really like tobacco fragrances and you're just looking for a nice nighttime beard oil when you don't want to wear a fragrance, I think this one is highly recommendable, and I would then give it a 9 out of 10, because the fragrance on this beard oil will last you about 2 hours, something like that. So applying this before you go to bed is, I really like it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Ciao.